Ciao, foodies! Benvenuti a Milano, the culinary capital of Italy. Today, we're on a mouth-watering journey through the streets of Milan to discover the top 10 must-eat foods that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Get ready to indulge in the best of Italian cuisine. Milan is not only renowned for its fashion and culture, but also for its delectable culinary offerings. From savory pastas to decadent desserts, this city has something to satisfy every craving. Number 10, risotto alla Milanese. Starting off our list at number 10, we have risotto alla Milanese. This iconic Milanese dish features creamy arborio rice cooked with saffron, butter, and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, resulting in a rich and indulgent risotto that's perfect for warming up on a chilly evening. Number 9, ossobuco. Next up, we have ossobuco at number 9. This traditional Milanese specialty consists of braised veal shanks cooked until fork tender in a flavorful broth of white wine, tomatoes, and vegetables, and served with a zesty gremolata. Number 8, cotoletta alla Milanese. At number 8, we have cotoletta alla Milanese. This classic Milanese dish features a breaded and fried veal cutlet, similar to Wiener Schnitzel, but with a distinct Italian flair. Served with a squeeze of lemon, this crispy and tender delicacy is a true taste of Milan. Number 7, panettone. Next on our list is panettone at number 7. A staple of Italian Christmas celebrations, panettone is a sweet bread loaf studded with candied fruits and raisins, offering a delightful combination of flavors and textures that's perfect for enjoying with a cup of espresso. Number 6, polenta e osse. Coming in at number 6, we have polenta e osse. This traditional Lombard dish features creamy polenta served with grilled quail, creating a hearty and comforting meal that's beloved by locals and visitors alike. Number 5, gelato. At number 5, we have gelato. No trip to Milan would be complete without indulging in Italy's famous frozen treat. From creamy classics like stracciatella and pistachio to innovative flavors like tiramisu and ricotta with figs, gelato is the perfect way to cool off and satisfy your sweet tooth. Number 4, gorgonzola cheese. Next up, we have gorgonzola cheese at number 4. Hailing from the Lombardy region, gorgonzola is a creamy blue cheese with a distinct sharp and tangy flavor. Enjoy it on its own with crackers or pair it with ripe pears and honey for a delightful cheese platter. Number 3, Negroni. At number 3, we have the Negroni. This iconic Italian cocktail originating from Milan is a perfect balance of gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth garnished with an orange twist. Sip on a Negroni while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of Milan's bustling bars and cafes. Number 2, ravioli di brassato. Coming in at number 2, we have ravioli di brassato. These delicate pasta parcels are stuffed with succulent braised beef, seasoned with herbs and spices, and served with a rich and savory sauce, creating a comforting and indulgent dish that's sure to satisfy. Number 1, pizza margherita. And finally, taking the top spot on our list, we have pizza margherita. Named after Queen Margherita of Italy, this iconic Neapolitan pizza features a thin and crispy crust topped with fresh tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fragrant basil leaves, representing the colors of the Italian flag. Simple yet irresistible, pizza margherita is a true culinary masterpiece that captures the essence of Italian cuisine. There you have it, folks. 10 must-eat foods that will take your taste buds on a delicious journey through Milan, Italy. Whether you're savoring a slice of pizza margherita or indulging in creamy risotto alla Milanese, Milan offers a culinary experience like no other. Which of these Milanese delights are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, buon appetito and ciao for now.